Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? What's going on this time? The Vechain price change occurring, you can see 0.7%. It's really huge pump now, my brother. So 0.12 USD dollar is the current price, but sorry, my friend, the highest price, but the current price is 0.11 USD dollar. So that's mean to they were fails down for a short time. Absolutely, it's temporary fails. Don't worry. I hope they will recover this all lost. This is only in one day. I hope every coin will wake up and moving upward after a very short time. So therefore, I am 100% sure to upcoming time Vechain will recover this loss now. But let me explain, my friends, the live price prediction of Vechain coin. This is very important for all holder now. So please, holders, don't skip any second of this video, and remember, my brothers, to upcoming time the very huge pumps is coming soon. So please try to understand to do this. I hope you will get a very good profit this time. As you can see, the Vechain circulation, my friends, so absolutely this is something going very good now. But absolutely, my friend, you can see this is going very good now. 5.37% they will get a profit in last 7 days, and that's mean, my friends, to Vechain will completely wake up and get a very good profit. Remember, my holders, my viewers, my subscriber, to win a holder are starting holding, definitely the price will be starting increasing, and when a holder are starting investing, the price will more increasing. So please try to understand if you are starting holding, so I hope they will get a profit. But if you are starting selling, so remember, my brothers, too, they will never get a profit and you are very badly lost. So hope you understand something very special from this video. Please, if you understand, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.